Great education starts with a well-run campus. But synchronizing, coordinating, and optimizing just in time, from programs and people to facilities and budgets, is more challenging than ever. Are your resources being used to their full potential? Are your personnel managed optimally? And do you have the right tools to stay agile and grow with your campus's constantly changing needs? When your data is scattered across unsynchronized systems, you lose the ability to optimize, react in real time, and maintain control. Step into the future with Giv-Campus, your holistic campus management system. With graphical drag and drop scheduling and management tools, Giv-Campus enhances learning programs and resource allocation, optimizing the student lifecycle, operations, and facility utilization. With Giv-Campus, you gain control, reduce risks and costs, boost efficiency and sustainability, and elevate campus experience for students, staff, and all stakeholders. Giv Solutions, transforming you into the future.